Hey guys, I'm Shayna. Thanks so much for watching my channel today. So I have been a Shea ambassador or a Shea Moisture brand ambassador for 2.5 months now. And this is my second box that I received from them. If you haven't watched my previous video from the first box that I got, I would say definitely go check that one out too. But this second box was like really cool because the first one was not for hair products, and as you probably know, I am more of a natural hair person here on YouTube and Instagram. So the first box was great, but it was like more body and face stuff. Now this stuff that they sent me in my second box was hair, so I was like all over it. So they send you like this nice little card that tells you exactly what you're getting in this box. Like, I don't know if you can see this red box right here, but that's what it comes in. So this is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair with Mifura and baobab oils. So I have seen this line, but I haven't necessarily seen it like in stores. Now, one thing I do remember about this line is that somebody here on YouTube actually did a review of it, and she did like a before and after, because if you guys aren't familiar with the line, it's the one that has like the split end balm that's supposed to like mend your split ends. Like if your ends feel frizzy and dry and brittle and they're maybe split, then this cream was like supposed to help you out with that. So anyway, the girl on YouTube, she did like half of her hair without the balm, and then the other half of her hair she did with the balm, and I really did see a difference in her hair. So her video actually like is the one that got me to be like, dang, I really want to try that. But like I said, I wasn't seeing it in stores. Now that they sent this to me, I was like, oh my god, I finally get to try it. So like the split end one was like definitely one that I wanted to try like first off. But anyway, so here in the book, it tells me like exactly what they gave me, so I'll just share it with you. The first thing I got was the Hydrate and Repair shampoo, then the Hydrate and Repair conditioner, the multi-action leave-in, the Repair split-in balm like I was just talking about, and then the protein power treatment, which the protein power treatment, just so you know, it can also be used as a deep conditioner. So I don't want that to like throw you guys off if you thought that it was just a protein treatment. It also doubles as a deep conditioner. It says that on the back, on the directions there. So it's supposed to be really great for spring, you know, since winter can be so harsh and unforgiving on your hair. This reparative collection with natural nutrients brings resilience to brittle and extremely dry hair while replenishing moisture. So I have like really dry hair. I also have really dry skin. Like I could not drink enough water, or I just could not stay hydrated just like in any other way. So this was like perfect because I'm like, yeah, my hair is dry, yeah, my hair is brittle, like all that, yeah, just give it to me. So the way that I started was first with the Hydrate Repair Power Protein Treatment. I did all of this today so that it can be like fresh on my memory. So I started with the protein treatment on wet hair. My hair was already styled, but I went ahead and just like rinsed that out. I did not wash my hair prior to using this. I went ahead and only rinsed it out and then applied this to my hair. I left it in for 15 minutes with a plastic bag, and I also used like a heating thermal cap too to make sure that it like really penetrates my hair. And after I rinsed it out, my hair had like really good definition, not more definition than normal, but it just, you know, really did a good job at defining my hair and putting that protein back in my hair that I guess it was missing. When it comes to damage, you know, my hair is not really damaged. So one of the really good benefits of doing a protein treatment on your hair is that if you have damage, if you maybe have some heat damage on your hair, you want to definitely try a protein treatment. I don't have those issues. I don't straighten my hair whatsoever. I don't use any heat in my hair, and all of my, you know, dead ends were cut like 2 years ago. So I don't have any like damaged ends, which is why I said that this didn't do any different job than any other deep conditioner. But if you have those issues, definitely go ahead and use this protein power treatment. Then I started with the shampoo. The shampoo has like a really light smell. I really like the smell. You guys, let me tell you about yogurt. So when I saw that this line had yogurt in it, I hate yogurt. I hate it. If you're eating yogurt next to me, like when I work in the office where I work sometimes, when I go into the office, and somebody is eating yogurt, I have like the biggest attitude. I don't like to smell yogurt. Like one time I remember, it's so bad that when I was little, my sister dared me to eat some yogurt and I threw up because that's how much I hate yogurt. So anyway, when I saw that this had yogurt in it, I was like, see, you see Shea Moisture, like we just not gonna do this yogurt here today. But luckily, when I opened the shampoo, no yogurt smell. So I don't know why I was freaking out about that, but it smells really good and it's really light. Also, Shea Moisture gave me like this really nice tool to like massage through my scalp, and it felt so good, you guys. So if you guys don't have one of those little, I don't even know what it's called, but if you don't have that, like definitely get one. It helps you when you're washing your hair. Also, if you have long nails like I do, I have had times where I was washing my hair and my nail breaks. So I'm just like, oh my God, I hate when that happens. So if you have one of those little comb things for you to wash your hair, that would obviously, you know, help you not to break a nail. So the shampoo was really good. Now the Hydrate and Repair conditioner. This conditioner was actually, I really liked it. You know what, even after, okay, so what I did was I applied it to my hair. I applied like a really generous amount to my hair, and then I left it in for about 15 minutes. And you guys, like my curl pattern, it really like reminded me of if I were to put like a leave-in conditioner or if I were to put like a styling cream in my hair. Even though I didn't, like this one conditioner made my curl pattern or the definition like really good. So I was really impressed by this. Like one day I'm really thinking about like doing that this summer, just like wearing my hair for a week just in its natural state. You know what I mean? Like I've never done that. So I think that whenever I do, I'm gonna use this conditioner because it really defined my hair like really good. All right, so what did I use next? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's actually it. So once you do that, then it's on to styling your hair, of course. This is the style that I did in my hair. I did these nice mini twists, which I may take out tomorrow, I'm not sure, and just like do a twist out. But this is, as you can see, like it's really shiny. Looks really, really nice. I'm really pleased with the results. Let me turn around so you can see. It looks so good. So now for the products that Shea Moisture sent me, as far as like styling your hair, they didn't send enough products for me to actually style my hair. So I did use different products from other lines in Shea Moisture brands, which I will show you. But the first one that they sent me in the line is the multi-action leave-in conditioner, and you notice that it's a spray. So I thought that was like so cool. I was like, ooh, a leave-in conditioner spray. Like I thought they're like changing the game with this one. I know there's leave-in conditioner sprays, but like I don't remember Shea Moisture doing that until like recently, honestly. I could be wrong. I know there's that purple one with like, it's like purple and pink, which I actually bought that just recently. But I don't recall having a leave-in conditioner spray besides seeing this one and the purple and pink one. So there's this one, and then there's a split-in repair cream. So as far as styling your hair in the yogurt, honey, Mafura oil and everything line, this is pretty much all I noticed. Now, if there are any other stylers in the line that they just perhaps didn't send me, I will go ahead and include that like in the bottom or something, just so you guys know. If you wanted to stay true to the line, then you can buy those other ones. But I got the leave-in conditioner and the cream. So since I knew that I wanted to do the mini twists, I was like, okay, so I'm gonna do the lock method. That is like, you know, my favorite method whenever I do my twists. So for my lock method, I needed the leave-in conditioner, which is right here. I needed an oil, which I used the Shea Moisture Argan oil. And for my cream, I used the trusty Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I wanted to show you how much of a difference that this conditioner instantly made on my hair. You guys, so this conditioner worked really good. So initially with the leave-in conditioner spray, my favorite thing was that it was a spray bottle, obviously. But after I actually used it in my hair, my favorite thing is actually the way that it like made my hair shine. So whenever I was doing my mini twists, my hair, like I started at the back of my hair, so then once I got closer to the top, my hair had obviously dried. So you can see how dry my hair was. And then when I sprayed this conditioner on it, it just instantly, and it just like melted in my hair. Whenever my hair gets dry, I have to go ahead and detangle it. Like this is also a really good detangler. So if you have those issues where you have like some issues detangling your hair whenever you're trying to style it, this is a really good detangler for you, because I'm telling you, it melted in my hair like butter, and so it made just combing it so much easier. So I just loved seeing my hair go from just completely ugly and dry to just like a couple of sprays of this, and it was just like boom, just popping again. Like that was awesome. Now I take back what I said about this being in a bottle, because this product specifically, if you can see, like it's kind of milky. Can you see that? It's kind of like a milky white substance. So if you're not careful with the way that you're spraying it on your hair, like you just can't like do like one of these, because it's milky. It's also kind of like got a little sticky feeling to it. So I noticed when I was doing my hair, like say I was like twisting and I did this and I pulled my neck back up this way, I would feel it like being sticky. Does that make sense? You know, that sticky feeling, like just afterwards, take a shower. Like don't take a shower and then use that if you're going to be just having it spraying all over, because you're definitely like your neck is going to be sticky like mine was. And then just as long as we're just completing the style, I went ahead and I used my argan oil, which was really good, and then my curl enhancing smoothie. I went ahead and finished with my split end repair cream. So what I was doing is just strictly targeting my ends. So after I did the lock method, which is of course the leave-in conditioner, the oil, and then the cream, then I finished by applying the split end repair balm to my ends. That way if I did have any like coarse ends, which as I was feeling through my hair, some of my ends did feel kind of brittle and coarse. So whenever I was applying the balm to it, it definitely smoothed it out. Now, the only thing I would say is don't be misled by split end repair, because it is really important that if you have split ends, there's no way you can fix them or glue them together, or you know, whatever it is that you think you may be able to do. If you have split ends, the only way that you're going to be able to repair them is by cutting them. So this I feel is more for like really brittle, dry, on the verge, on the fence, about to be splitting, but not completely split. If you put this on a split end, sure, it'll get that split end to look straight and look like it's not split, but I mean, the end is still split. Do you know what I mean? So I don't want there to be any false hope or anything. That's not why I used the balm. I used the balm because I wanted it to just target my ends and make them feel smoother and less brittle. So that's like the only thing about this product. But would I use it again? Absolutely. There's actually a lot in this little jar, so I didn't even make a dent in this on my first use. So I would definitely use this for all of my twist outs. If you follow me on Instagram, or if you've heard me say it probably in previous videos on here, I am always talking about maintaining your hair. So the reason why I say maintain is because like I worked so hard to grow it, and now I want to maintain and retain my length. And the only way to retain my length is to make sure that my ends stay very healthy. So I take like so much pride and care in my ends, because I'm always applying oil to them. So the fact that they came out with this balm that is, you know, has the baobab oil and the mafira oil, it's like perfect, because I do that anyway. So now I have a product that targets just ends, so I feel really confident about replacing the oils that I typically use to seal my ends with this. And guys, like just a quick tip, what I do to maintain my hair throughout the week is like, so if I have these mini twists for the whole week, I will just take some oil, or in this case, I'm going to take my split end repair balm. I'm just going to take a little bit of it, and then I'm going to take each of my twists, and then I'm just going to apply it just like that. And you would do that to every one of your twists, just to make sure, because like, you know, sometimes you sleep on them and they get a little bit frizzy. overnight because maybe you sleep on a cotton pillow, which if you do, tisk, you need to be sleeping on a silk pillowcase or satin or something. But sometimes your ends do get frizzy while they're in their style. So don't forget that you can do that throughout the week just to kind of maintain that style. So I'm interested to see other reviews on this product because I'm just always like, okay, am I like way off? Am I way on? Do people have the same thoughts that I do? You know, so I really do want to hear other people's opinions. So I'll be on the lookout. You guys, I have so much content coming up within the next couple of weeks, so please stay tuned for that. I'll see you in those next couple of videos coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye.